Hi everybody, I'm Master Kelly. Welcome to the How to Train Your Dragon martial arts lesson today. In this lesson, we're going to practice some karate moves. Now, make sure you guys stick to the very end of the video because at the end, I'll show you guys a sneak peek of one of our new courses on Dojo Go TV. So make sure you stick with the end so you can see that. Let's get started. Chariet? Kenya? Awesome. All right, we're going to start with a warm-up today. We're going to do jumping jacks. Now, every time we do a jumping jack, we're going to see a ring of fire open up. So every time we do that, the fire is going to get bigger and bigger. And then we're going to do the same thing with all the exercises, okay? So make sure you try to follow with me. Everyone say, hana, do it, set, net, toss it, yas it, igo, ider, ahop, yeah, awesome. All right, rotating left and right. Ready? Everyone say, hana, do it, set, net, toss it, yas it, igo, ider, a hope. Yeah, awesome, good. All right, now this time we're gonna warm up with some punches, okay? So we're gonna punch right down the middle. I'm gonna say hana, do it, set, net, toss it, uppercuts now, yas it, igop, yider, a hope. Yeah, awesome. All right, now this time we're gonna do a squat and then we're gonna front kick on one side, okay? So everyone repeat after me. I'm gonna say hana, good, do it, good, set. Good job. Net. Good. Toss it. Good. Yas it. Good. Irgo. Good. You there. A hope. Yeah. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Good warm up. High five. Very good work. All right. Chariet. Kenya. Awesome. All right. The first move we're going to practice is we're going to practice dragon sidekick. Okay. So when I say fighting stance, we're going to have one foot back, both hands up. Ready? Fighting stance. Awesome. Good. Okay, so when we do a dragon sidekick, we're going to pick up our knee like this. We're going to bend our knee. Now, we're going to throw a sidekick low and a sidekick in the middle. Okay? So watch this. We're going to go sidekick low, chuck your knee back in, sidekick in the middle. Okay? Awesome. Let's do that together. Hands up, fighting stance. And sidekick low, sidekick middle. Awesome, good, good. Again, same leg again. Everyone go side kick low, side kick middle. Awesome, good, nice. Now if you can't keep your balance, you can touch your foot on the ground. That's totally fine. Let's try the other leg now. Ready? Side kick low, side kick middle. Awesome, good job you guys. Again, side kick low, side kick middle. Awesome, good. Let's do it one more time. Ready? Side kick low, side kick middle. Awesome, high five. Very good job. Okay. Now we're gonna play a little game with Dojo. Come here, Dojo. Awesome. All right, so here's what Dojo's going to do, okay? Dojo's gonna be throwing some rocks at us. And what we have to do is we have to side kick low and side kick the middle to make sure we break the rocks, okay? So everyone hands up fighting stance. Awesome, all right, go ahead, Dojo. Ready, side kick low, side kick middle. Awesome, good. All right, let's go on the other side now. Ready? Side kick low, side kick middle. Awesome, good, good. All right, let's do it again. Ready, go side kick low, side kick middle. Awesome, good, good. Ready? Again, side kick low, side kick middle. Awesome, good, good. All right, ready? One more time. Side kick low, side kick middle. Awesome, good. All right, this side now. Again, go side kick low, side kick middle. Awesome, good job, you guys. High five. All right, question for you. When we throw a side kick, what part of our foot do we hit with? Do we hit with A, our toes, or B, our heel? What do you think the correct answer is? If you said heel, that's correct, because here's the thing. If you kick with your toes, ow, that's going to hurt, right? You want to use your heel, okay? When you use your heel, it's a lot tougher. It's like using a hammer, okay? So when you guys do your side kick today, I want you to really focus on pulling your toes back and using your heel. So we're going to practice an exercise to help with that, okay? Here's all I want you guys to do. We're going to go ahead and sit down. Awesome. All right, now I want you guys to look at my feet, okay? We're going to practice pointing our toes and pulling them back, okay? Now when we pull them back, we're going to really make sure we flex our heel to make sure we have good form when we side kick, okay? All right, ready? When I say hana, point your toes. I'm going to say hana. Good. Do it. Good. Set. Good. Net. Good. Toss it. Good job. Yes it. Good. Irgo. Good. You're there. Good job. I hope. And yeah. Awesome. All right, we're gonna make it a little more challenging. This time, we're gonna focus on one leg. I want you guys to pick up one leg like this. Okay, we're gonna practice pointing and pulling our heel. We're gonna do 10 repetitions, okay? Ready? Everyone say, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. Awesome. All right, we gotta do the other leg this time. Ready? Pick up your leg and pointing. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job, you guys. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟. Almost done. 아홉, 열. Nice. Awesome. Good. All right, shake your legs a little bit. Shake it out. Okay, now we're gonna do one more drill. This time, we're gonna be on our hands and knees just like this. I want you guys to pick up your knee in the side kick position, okay? We're gonna practice side kicking on the ground and then pulling it back, okay? So ready? Everyone pick up your knee, pick it up just like this, and everyone say, 하나. Good, and flexing with that heel. Back, and 둘. Good job, you guys. And back, and set. Good, back. 넷. Good, and back. And 다섯. Good, awesome. We're gonna hold this position for 10 seconds. Ready? Keep your legs locked out. Make sure it's not doing this. Make sure you're looking at your foot. If you look at your foot, that's gonna give you better form. So everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열, and foot down. Good job, you guys. All right, now we gotta do the other leg, okay? No complaining. We gotta do the other leg. We can't just do one leg. Ready? Pick up your knee like this. Good, and when I say 하나, thrust it out. 하나. Back. Good. 둘. Back. Good. Set. Back. Good job, you guys. 넷. And back. 다섯. Good. Nice. Hold this position. Ready? 10 seconds. 하나. 둘. 셋. 넷. 다섯. 여섯. 일곱. 여덟. 아홉. Yeah, nice. Knee in and back down. Good job, you guys. High five. Awesome, awesome. Okay, here's what we're gonna do next. Everyone stand up, stand up. Try it. That wasn't very fast. Let's have a race. I'm gonna sit down. All right, let's see who can stand up. Now, when you stand up, let's do a tech stand. That means you're gonna cover your face and then stand up. Ready? Hands like this and stand up. Nice, good job. All right, back down. All right, ready, set. Oh, don't go yet until I say go. Ready? Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Nice, good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, I'm gonna start bouncing on your feet. All right, you guys ready to play a game? Can you say yes, sir? Awesome. Okay, here's the game we're gonna play. There's gonna be some dragons coming at us, some night furies, okay? So what's gonna happen is that they're gonna send a fireball down at us. What we gotta practice doing is we're gonna practice either moving this way or moving this way, okay? Now, as soon as we move out of the way, okay, we're gonna practice throwing a side kick, low and middle, okay? So let's practice that together. Ready? And everyone, angle, side kick, side kick. Awesome, good. All right, get ready. Which way is it gonna come? All right, this way. Good, side kick, side kick. Awesome, good, good. Ready? Here it comes. Oh, this way again. Ready? Side kick, side kick. Good, nice, good. It may come from any direction. Ready, and go. Side kick, side kick. Awesome, good. One more time, one more time. Ready? Where's it gonna be? Where's it gonna be? And oh, it's on both sides of us. Okay, let's do both sides. Ready? Side kick, side kick, side kick, side kick. Nice, good job. You guys have five. Very, very good work today. Chadiyat? Can you? Awesome. Now, before you guys leave, let's talk about something really quick, okay? All right, you guys, very good job today. Now, before you leave, we're gonna talk about something really important, okay? First of all, if you are a brother or a sister, maybe an older brother, older sister, raise your hand. Okay, awesome. Now, some of you aren't. That's okay. This totally applies to you as well, okay? So, I'm an older brother. I'm also a younger brother in my family, okay? Now, we're going to talk about today about the Taekwondo tenet of integrity, okay? Integrity basically means you set a good example, right? So let's say, for example, let's say you're an older brother, an older sister, okay? And when your parents ask you to brush your teeth, right? You start whining, you start getting angry, you throw a fit, you say, no, mom and dad, I want to stay up, right? Now, if you do that in front of your little brother and sister, what do you think they're going to think in their head? Well, maybe true. They're probably thinking, well, if my older brother and sister's doing it, that means I can probably do it too, right? So one of the tenets of Taekwondo and being a good martial artist is setting a good example, right? So no matter what, if your parents are asking you to do something, you got to do it the first time they ask, because especially if you have a little brother or a little sister, they're going to look up to you and be like, I should follow my brother or sister's example. Okay, does that make sense? Okay, so next time your parents ask you to do something, whether it's brushing your teeth, going to bed on time, making sure you eat your vegetables, right? Now here's the thing, okay? When you guys do those things, your parents are doing it what? Because they just want you to suffer? No, it's because they care about you. They love you very much. So when your parents ask you to go to bed, the reason why is because they want you to wake up feeling with a lot of energy, right? Now, if you have a lot of energy, you'll be happier. If you eat your vegetables, if you eat the food that your parents gives you, okay, if you do those things, it's going to make you stronger. It's going to give you muscles, right? So make sure you follow what your parents do. And also, don't forget, set a good example. Now, let's say you don't have any brothers and sisters. That's totally fine, okay? If you practice setting an example in school, right? Maybe the teacher is asking to see, okay, who's going to keep their desk clean, and you're the one that's keeping it clean all the time. You know, the teacher might say, hey, you have a really good desk. And then other kids around you, you'd be like, man, I should probably clean my desk too, right? Or maybe you're at recess and you see two kids arguing, right? Maybe they're fighting about something, right? And then they try to pull you in there and try to get you to argue back, right? But if you don't argue, right? If you don't engage, other kids might be like, oh, this person's a very calm person. I want to be like that too, okay? So just remember, setting a good example is one of the key elements of making you a complete martial artist, okay? Very good job today, guys. Now make sure you stick with the end, because I want to show you guys a sneak peek of one of our exclusive videos over at Dojo Go TV.
Hey parents, if you like our videos, then you'll definitely want to check out our free Kids Beginner Karate course. This course will guide your children step by step into learning martial arts at home. If you want to get started, click the link below to join our free course.